Today we are back talking about mom subject matters because we need somewhere to voice all of our opinions, don't we?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we do. And
I mean,
where
who do
are
you
we
talk
gonna do
to?
it?
You know? So I'm hanging out with Sterling,
Yes, Mom.
Melvina, and Noemi. Ladies.
Hello. Hey.
So Noemi is a stepmom to be, considering adopting, right?
Yeah, going through the training right now.
Okay. Melvina, we bow down to you.
Had 5 foster children.
Incredible.
Amazing.
None of my own, but I'm thinking about
Oh, amazing.
it. I'm scared.
You've had lots of training.
Girl, you've had a lot of training, a lot
Yeah,
more
but
than what I had.
PhD.
I have questions.
Way in
for you.
advance.
Have
Yeah.
answers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Sterling, tell everybody.
I'm pregnant.
Aw.
First one. I am 40 years old. We've been trying for many years. My husband's actually 51. And so we're going to be some old folks. Quite literally.
Is this his first child?
It
too?
is.
Wow.
Exciting.
It's great, right?
Can you imagine I found a 51-year-old man with no children?
That is so cool.
the
My
Bay
mom would
Area?
say something's wrong with him, but on the other hand,
Isn't that great? He was saving it.
Yeah.
He was saving it for the right one. For the
That's
right
beautiful.
one.
Yeah.
So when we start having kids, right? Because now we are that child's role model, correct?
Yeah.
I mean, some people are, they make it big, they're stars, and they feel like, well, I shouldn't have to be a role model.
I was hoping
But-
someone else would be the role model.
Okay, so do you think, though,
I just wanted to be entertained.
as you transition into being someone's parent, are you responsible then for everything? Meaning, should you change your career if you're a stripper? Should you consider not posing for Playboy if you were before because you have a child? Should you take responsibility for your career path as well as, and tie that into the example you're setting for your child?
It's such a great question because I think increasingly now we learn to take care of ourselves, or we're told now it's so important to take care of yourself, or how can you even pass anything down or model good behavior and love to your child. And at the same time, sometimes it almost seems excessive, like we put them at such a sort of it's no longer that the family centers around the child, and I wonder sometimes if it's just extreme.
Here's my question to you, and without being judgmental.
Right.
Okay, because I've had certain things in my life I know I'm very, very lucky to have had, where maybe I didn't feel like that was even an option for me. But without being judgmental, I don't know why women ever feel like we need to do that.
So that's the only thing we can do.
We can do, i.e., if you're strapped for cash, there's always McDonald's. Okay, no, of course you don't make as much money as taking off your clothes. But I mean, I think that some people are under the mindset that that's all they are capable of doing. That breaks my heart. Not that they want to, I'm saying there's some people who do want to do it and they just want to do it. But that you're only capable of doing that?
Well, I mean, is the question about the career choice, or is the question about being a role model to your children?
It's both.
Because whatever I've got going on for myself as a woman and the choices that I've made,
Yeah.
that doesn't stop when I have a child. Having a child isn't going to stop me and change me. This is going to be an extension of me. I'm going to teach with love and with respect. It is my duty to show the best that I can, right and wrong, and then for that child to make their own decisions, and for me to help lead them and to lay out the right paths. My opinions on stripping, or my opinions on whatever walk of life, I wouldn't want my child raised by somebody, say, of the church. Whereas somebody of the church wouldn't want their child raised by somebody who was a stripper.
Yeah.
So I think it has more to do with the mother and how they choose to raise their child, rather than stopping what you're doing because you have
Well,
a
I
child.
like that because it's like you don't put your life on hold. Back in the day, women were taught you stop everything. My mom gave up this potential career that everybody told her Rebecca, go to Broadway, you're that good. And she always now lives in this weird world of I gave that up for your dad. The schmuck.
Yes, she's resentful.
And acting like, oh, but I didn't have the ego need for it. Well, she has a huge ego, and it's
Right.
the parent pretty much. She's on stage all the time. I don't know where I got it from, but basically, it's like if she modeled to me that you can keep shine the light where you know of your truth, I wouldn't have had so many years of feeling like that I believe there's this drama between like being with a man and being in a nurturing relationship and having a career. That was modeled to me by my mom, that you like
Because
it was
of
this
her
terrible
conflict.
choice,
Yeah.
and that she gave up who she was. So what you're saying is almost like you're showing that you're still, it's about you, you're modeling your behavior and your self-esteem through what you do. So if you strip, that's what you're teaching your
But
children.
what about that saying-
But what I was also saying though too in that, because I understand leading your true, your life, leading your dreams while you have a child, they don't stop. But there are certain things. Do you think it's okay to sell drugs?
Well, no, because I love.
Plenty of people do.
I
Plenty
mean-
of people do, and they're doing just fine. I'm saying, okay, here's the question direct. Are there any careers that are not acceptable to have once you start having kids? Because you got to start thinking
Well,
about the
anything
protection
that
of your
you
child.
that what you wouldn't do before, or that you don't believe,
Exactly.
or
Because
There's a lot
that's
of things
illegal.
people would stop doing. There's a lot of things that people do when they're single. There's things that they change when they get married, and there's things that change when they have some kids. Because, like, for instance, I'm not skydiving. Now that I have a child, I'm not jumping out of a perfectly good airplane, right? Or whereas I might have done it beforehand, but now I won't do it. I mean, I'm not
I'm
like
thinking
dying
that-
to go
But that's
skydiving
different
either.
if you're talking about a career that's either illegal. If you're doing some illegal things, there are parents who use drugs, right? I don't care if they have that baby. They're going to continue using drugs, more than likely.
If they're addicted to drugs, most
Right,
likely they
so,
are.
I
But
mean-
smoking, I know people who've gotten pregnant and stopped cold smoking cigarettes.
well, thank God.
God
that's
bless
great.
them. Thank you for it, right?
Yeah.
So I guess that's my thing is, are there things that you would stop doing?
I think that I would.
Are you going to give up the blue cheese?
I would jump. Maybe.
Which was my favorite cheese. And people would be eating in front of me. I was like, you're kidding me. But
No, but see, I would jump out of an airplane while pregnant. And a lot of people would say that would be
Wow.
completely irresponsible.
Wow.
For myself
I think
and
that's
for the
brave.
That's
child.
incredible.
That's
I
brave.
would stop cleaning toilets. I think that I should just lay down that my
That's
boundary.
bad. It's bad for the
That
baby.
I no longer am going to get on my knees and be
I'm
scrubbing.
going to stop cleaning toilets now.
Yeah.
good Lord, we're going to
Just
all
before-
stop
before
cleaning
we even
toilets
have any kids,
forever
right?
and let our men do it for us. And we've run out of time. But if you guys would like more information and to see the conversation continue, please jet over to our website at daysofzara.com, and we'll see you all again very soon. Thank you. Thank you.